To charge your Peugeot hybrid plug-in's battery, check that the speed selector is on mode P and the engine is switched off. First, connect the charge cable to the domestic socket. When the cable is connected, all of the lights on the control box will come on, then only the green power light will stay on. Next, press on the back of the charger flap to open it and ensure there are no foreign bodies on the vehicle's charge connector. White lights inside the charger flap will come on. Insert the pistol into the vehicle's charge connector. The lights inside the flap on the car and the charge light on the control box will flash green to indicate charge. If this does not happen, charge hasn't started. Please start again the procedure and check that everything is correctly connected. At the same time, when the vehicle is plugged in, the following information will be shown on the digital cluster: battery status in percent, remaining range in kilometre, estimated charge time. After a few seconds, the digital cluster will enter sleep mode. The information can be displayed again by unlocking the vehicle or opening a door. Deferred charge settings are managed via the touchscreen. To do this, in the Energy application, select the Charge Settings tab. Select the charge start time and validate by pressing Apply. Deferred charge settings can also be managed using the MyPeugeot application on your smartphone. Charge completion is indicated when the green light on the control box and the green lights in the flap stop flashing. A red light in the flap indicates that the pistol is locked. To unplug the pistol from the charge connector, unlock the vehicle if it is locked. If your vehicle is unlocked, lock it, then unlock it. Finally, never use the charge cable with an extension cable, power strip, conversion adapter, or with a damaged electric socket.